Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make the famous South Indian filter coffee at your home. So for the filter coffee, what you need the South Indian filter, and here I added 3 to 4 tablespoons of coffee powder. So here I have the fresh grounded coffee powder into this, and I added 3 tablespoons of coffee powder into this, and I'm going to press this one with my hand so that we will get the thick decoction. And into this I'm going to add the boiling water, guys. So we have to add the hot we have to add the boiling water, not the hot water. So I'm going to add this boiling water into this. And what I'm going to do, so they have a lid, guys. I'm going to cover this one with the lid, and it will take 5 to 7 minutes. We will get the thick decoction. So I will show you guys. So in the meanwhile, what I'm going to do, I'm going to boil the milk. So can you see, guys, the decoction is coming from this hole. So here the milk is started boiling for the coffee. So the milk is ready. So let's start the filter coffee. And here my decoction is ready, guys. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this decoction in this bowl. Yeah, let's load it in first. Yeah. And then we save for a future day. So we need to figure out why it's getting dropped off, right? So I added the decoction in this bowl. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add this milk into this tumbler, that is glass. And I'm going to add some sugar. So up to your choice how much sugar you want in your filter coffee. And I'm going to add this milk into this decoction, guys. Can you see? And again I'm going to add this one into this. So in the hotel they do like this. And I'm going to add more decoction. So I added more decoction into this because we love to have strong filter coffee. And it's time to serve. And if you want, you can add little bit decoction in the top. So yeah, so my filter coffee is ready, guys, and this is very easy. So being a South Indian, we love to have the filter coffee at our home every day. So I thought I can share this recipe with you guys. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make South Indian filter coffee at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.